everybody. This is what my room looks like when you're standing in the doorway and you see me in the doorway in my beautiful mirror from IKEA. You know the one. So I live in, let's see, let me go to the mirror and talk to y'all. So let me sit down and talk to y'all. So I need a vlogging camera. I've said that plenty of times before on here. But I live about 5 minutes away from campus. This is my college apartment. I do have a roommate. If you want like details on the prices of the rent, you can either go to my Where to Live in Marietta video for Kennesaw State University students, or you can just ask me. But yeah, no long intros. Let's just look at my room because it's so cute. Okay, so we're back here. So we're just gonna start to your immediate right. I have this rug from Ross. I'll just warn you right now, 99% of the stuff in here is from Ross. So yeah, it was $20. This chair, it actually is an open back, which is really cute. All my friends compliment me. But it was also from Ross. It was $80 for the chair, and then I have a throw from Ross as well, and it was $12.99. Then we have this beautiful circle mirror. I'll just get in it. I'm not really looking my best, but this is the view from it, inside of it. This mirror is from Marshall's, and it was $39.99, so $40. And then I have curtains that go all the way up to the ceiling and all the way down to the floor. Those curtains were $40 from TJ Maxx. And then my bed, oh my gosh, look at my bed. So my bed is from my old job, Dream Home Interiors. If you watched my last room tour, you would have known that. I have the same bedding from my last room tour, except for a few pillow changes. So the bedding itself is from TJ Maxx. These big pillows are from TJ Maxx. These are the pillowcases that come with the bedding. I like the texture on them. This behind here is a body pillow from Target. These two pillows, they're so pretty. Look at them. They're from Burlington, actually. They were $16.99 each. And then this pillow, I've had that pillow for a very long time. I think it's from Marshall's, but it's in my last video, so you can watch and see where it's from. Then I have this beautiful, beautiful painting. Oh my god. So this painting is from Burlington as well. It was $40, which is a great price for how big that is. And then I have a lamp. It was $39.99 from Ross. It was from Ross. So yeah, that's that side of my room, and I love it so much. Like look at it. It's literally so cute. I just can't even get over it. Anyway, so my nightstand's super simple. We have a candle that my friend Drew got me. She gets the best candles. My laptop does not usually stay there, but I was just editing, so it's there. I have some hand sanitizer from Grove Collaborative. This what's this called? It's a coaster, right? A coaster that my friend Ethel got me for Christmas a very long time ago. A picture of me and my boyfriend in St. Augustine. He got that picture printed for Christmas. Excuse my camera focusing. And then under here I just have this little thingy. I had a whole bunch of Snickers in there, but I ate them. And my phone is charging, and I have a wallflower back there. And then I have another candle. It's just random. So yeah, then we get to my mirror, which is obviously from IKEA. It's the Hovette mirror. It's really big. It's $129. Oh, the nightstand itself is also from IKEA. And then the rug, it's matching this rug over here. So you know it, it's from Ross. This one was $45 though. That one was $20. So then I have this same setup from my last room. The case book thingy is from IKEA. I have some wires that I need to hide. These thingies are from Target. My TV, of course, some little bottles and a lamp. And then these, I made them myself to match this. I think I did a pretty good job. It was a really fun DIY and it came out really cute. So, like, look at that. That makes me happy. And then I have some cute perfumes. My boyfriend got me this one for, hello. My boyfriend got me this one for Christmas, and I just bought this one recently from Sephora. And then another candle from Drew. She's the goat. This is my bathroom. This is my linen closet. And then we're back at the door into the dark abyss of my apartment. So on the back of my door, I have two of my favorite bags on this little hooky thing. And my door literally always does this, even when it's closed. If the AC comes on, it would just open like in the middle of the night. It gets on my nerves. I need a door stopper or something. So this is actually a lot of room for the space and for the price. I really do love how my room turned out. We don't have like lights, so that's why I have so many lamps and candles lit. This candle I think just went out. No, it's just super dim. Don't know what's going on there. But yeah, the colors of my rooms are obviously gray, white, neutral, black, some beige. You know, I just really love the vibes that I'm going with. I just think it came out so good. I do want a little more decor pieces, like just to give it life and personality, but all in all, I think it's adorable. Thank you so much to those of you who stayed till the end of the video. Like I said, the lighting in my room is bad, but I just want to thank you again, and be sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on the notifications so that you can get notified every time I upload. Please like this video. Let me know your favorite item in my room. Give me suggestions, whatever you want to do. I'm so open to feedback and input. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm so sorry if I look tired. It's because I am. Okay, bye.